All right, what's going on, guys? I just figured I'd bring you a little video here, a little bit different. Been watching quite a bit of Thomas K4SWL and Evan K2 EJT, both YouTube guys who've done some really awesome CW videos, and they talk about kitting stuff up. And just knocking around this morning when I was up a little bit early, just trying to take a look and see what cases do I have. I've got a few other cases around, Harbor Freight specials. These things are absolutely great. You can find them on sale. The Apache 550s, I think those were $10 a piece, maybe a little bit less after coupons. So great to keep and have around. Very very handy, very nice. Works great for the MTR 4B, keeping stuff together. But with this specifically, if you've seen some of my other videos, I got a KX2, and this specific case came from Walmart. Gosh, 15 years ago maybe, back when I was in Florida doing a lot of fishing, all that sort of stuff. So it was pretty cool to be able to have this around and find another use for it, another hobby, repurpose. Yeah, so good stuff. So basically what I did is put it together with everything aside from an antenna and my logbook that I need for an activation. So I've got a K6 ARK key. Adam makes some really cool stuff. Free online printables. I think this one specifically came from Brian K3TX, KT3X. Sorry, Brian. But he printed this up for me. The key is awesome. This little case comes with it. Actually, it didn't come with it. I printed it separately, but it's on printables. I printed it to 101 or 102% scale, so it fit in. So it's pretty great. Protects the key side when you're traveling. And then what's in here gives you a little bit extra hold. So just a nice extra one to keep around. Talent cell, 3000 milliamp hour. And on the back you can see there, actually it was a walnut that fell out at Washington on the Brazos. A couple of them out of a tree. Don't know if it was a squirrel or the wind. Obviously smacked down on my battery. Never cleaned it off, so I don't know. Just a little tattoo, little war war wound there for it. Next I've got my main key. Again, this is the Modern Morse from Aaron. I know he's been having a little bit of trouble with back orders, getting everything out, but really awesome key. Really enjoy it. I've only activated with it once, but more time to come on that. So got the main key. Set of headphones just in case I want them, in case I need them. Obviously the KX2 has a good internal mic. Again, extra cord in case we need it. Power cord, go along with the talent cell. Now that I look at this, actually this is a terrible thing to have because I've got power poles here. This goes to the radio, so yeah, glad I'm doing this. I'll get that fixed. Another retractable, which is my main. It's a good little bit to keep here. Doesn't take much space. And actually, this power cord would work with the talent cell. Just yeah, this will work with talent cell to the radio. So anyhow, and then finally, the KX2 fits in nice and snug. It's got the side KX panels and top on it. This thing is pretty darn cool. Initially, I'd just been throwing this in my pack and letting it roll. And, I may still do that. Who knows? But either way, that's what we got. Just wanted to kind of show that to you. This was a cheap little watertight box from Walmart many years ago. Don't think they make them anymore. Maybe they do. But anyhow, that's all I had for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Got any comments, questions, let me know what you keep in your kit or what you think I might need to add in mine. So as always, take care. 7-2.